a great choice today with the 2018
Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities.
This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, compass, power convenience group, electronic stability control, fog lights, security alarm, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, power locks, tachometer, remote keyless entry, Uconnect hands-free group. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.